Imagine creating a complete professional shopping website in just a few clicks, using AI. No coding, no designers, no stress. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Let's go. First, I open my browser and type in gamma.ai. Click on the first link and you'll see a start for free button. Click it. Next, it asks to continue with Google. I log in quickly. A few quick questions pop up. Nothing complicated, just basic info to get started. And boom, we're inside the AI playground. Now the magic begins. Gamma gives options like presentation or web page. I select web page. Then I type in what I want. The AI now knows I want a shopping website. Instantly, it starts generating a structured outline. Watching this is honestly amazing. It's like seeing your website being built in real time. I scroll through the layouts and pick minimal, clean and modern. Next, it asks for a theme. There are so many options. Seriously, hours could be spent just browsing here, but I pick the one that feels perfect. Then comes images. I select AI images, but you can also upload your own custom pictures if you want full control. Gamma now asks which AI image model I want. I go with Flux Fast. Then for the art style, I pick illustration, though you also have options like 3D, line art, photorealistic, or abstract. I hit generate, and in just a few minutes, the AI builds a fully structured visual web page. And trust me, it looks fantastic. Here's where things get even cooler. On the left side, all the web page slides are neatly arranged. I click add new with AI and type, create a card for contact info. And just like that, a contact page is generated. You can also manually add cards with dozens of pre-built templates. On the right side, the search bar lets you add text, tables, lists, code blocks, images, and even smart diagrams. I quickly drop in a Venn diagram and a graph to see how easy it is. Then, under charts and graphs, you get every type imaginable: column, bar, pie. I add a pie chart, input custom data, and the animation is surprisingly smooth. The videos and media section is next level. You can embed YouTube, TikTok, or gallery videos, plus apps like Google, Instagram, and Figma. Finally, forms and buttons. Everything from Google Forms to Airtable is ready to drag and drop. Here's my favorite part: themes. Say you switch themes after adding images. The pictures might look mismatched. No worries. Click the agent button. Type something like, update all images to match the theme and make them realistic. The AI works autonomously, updating every image.
One eternity later.
It even shows you a before and after comparison. If anything looks off, just delete it with one click. Total control, zero hassle. Once your page is perfect, hit the share button. Send it via email. Export as PDF, PPT, PNG, whatever you want. And when you're ready, hit publish. Either on Gamma's domain or your own custom one. The animations, transitions, and overall layout look amazing. Honestly, it feels like a professional designer made it for me, but in minutes. So that's it. A complete, fully customized, animated shopping website built entirely with AI in just a few clicks. No coding, no designers, just your ideas and gamma.ai. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and comment below what you'd like me to build next with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.